always seem to forget to say thank you. I seem to ask for more than I need. My prayers are filled with wants and wishes. If I talk to you at all, it's all about me. You have been so kind and giving, and you are always there when I pray. But there's something I've been meaning to tell you. I have something I need to say. Thank you, Lord, for your love. Thank you for the grace you've shown to me. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings I receive every day. Thank you for the air I breathe, for keeping every promise, for who you are and all you do. I want to thank you. You must think that I'm ungrateful for all the times I didn't pray. Every time I complained and grumbled, when thanks is all I needed to say. Please forgive me for my selfish heart. Cleanse me from an attitude of me. Lord, I need to tell you just how much I love you, so my gratitude you will see. Thank you, Lord, for your love. Thank you for the grace you've shown to me. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings I receive every day. Thank you for the air I breathe, for keeping every promise, for who you are and all you do. I want to thank you. Thank you, Lord. I just want